Okay. Might as well, since chat is on, chat can see my screen now, let me show you a quick little tutorial on how to import fonts. Now, if you're on Windows, this is easy enough. You just get a font from a website. Please make sure that you read the terms and conditions for said font, because sometimes they aren't monetized and require you to buy them, and sometimes they are free to use for all occasions, including making stuff for people. So once you have the font, you will have to extract it, and it's either going to be a .otf or a .ttf. Then, doesn't matter which Windows you use, this has been common since Windows XP, you just drag and drop it into your fonts folder, which on Windows 10 is usually pretty annoying to find, but just type font and then you'll usually be able to find it. And then drag and drop it in, and you'll know that it's added by just adding it back in. You'll just search the font and it'll be there. So, got to drag and drop up here, install, and there you go. Now we've added our desired font. So I hope that helps somebody.